Hello viewer, Saturday the 7th of June 2025, I'm at in Glasgow, Buchanan Street, been dropped off. It was raining, not good weather at the time, but now we've got better weather. Look at the sky now, nice and blue. Yeah, Buchanan Street is where I am. And got off at John Lewis outside of Buchanan bus station. So I got to be picked up at 3:30 at John Lewis, outside of John Lewis, outside the bus station. So that's my instructions. I was 4 minutes late getting on the bus this morning. Everybody was waiting for me. Bus driver came into the lobby and walked towards the reception, checking out Brian Foster. And I'm like, yes, sorry. So I'm mooching around like anywhere else, really. The same shops everywhere you go. The same shops. Greg's, and whatever. Same shops, aren't they? Scotland, England. No big surprises, really. Buildings are nice. Buildings are really good. So I'll go back to filming without me in the pic now.